Pets hold a special place in our hearts, but did you know they also contribute significantly to our physical, mental, and emotional well-being? Let's start by examining the physical benefits of having a pet. Studies have shown that owning a pet can have a positive impact on our cardiovascular health. Regular walks with dogs, for example, can help increase our daily physical activity and lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, pets have been found to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels in their owners, contributing to improved overall health. Pets also encourage an active lifestyle. Whether it's playing fetch with a dog or engaging in interactive games with a cat, these activities promote movement and exercise. This increased physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, strengthen muscles and bones, and boost the immune system. Pets offer much more than just physical benefits. They have an incredible impact on our psychological and emotional well-being as well. One significant advantage is their ability to reduce stress and anxiety. The presence of pets triggers the release of endorphins and oxytocin, also known as feel-good hormones, in our bodies. These hormones help alleviate stress and create a sense of calm. Additionally, pets provide companionship, reducing feeling of loneliness and depression. They offer unconditional love and emotional support, which can be especially beneficial during challenging times. Another incredible aspect of having pets is the way they enhance our social lives. Pets act as social catalysts, helping us connect with others and building meaningful relationships. Pets serve as conversation starters, icebreakers, and common interests for people. Whether it's talking about training techniques, sharing pet stories, or joining pet-related communities, pets create opportunities for social interaction. They can help individuals form new friendships, strengthen existing relationships, and provide a sense of belonging. Let's not forget the impact pets have on child development. Growing up with pets can offer numerous benefits for children. Interacting with pets can teach children important values such as empathy, responsibility, and compassion. It also promotes cognitive development as children learn about different animal species, behavior, and care. In addition, pets can provide a source of emotional support for children, helping them manage stress, build confidence, and improve their overall well-being. In addition to their roles as beloved companions, pets also serve as therapy and assistant animals. Therapy animals such as therapy dogs or cats are trained to provide comfort and support to individuals in various settings, including hospitals, schools, and nursing homes. These animals have a remarkable ability to improve mood, reduce anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. Assistance animals, commonly known as service animals, are trained to perform specific tasks to assist individuals with disabilities. These animals provide invaluable support, helping their owners navigate daily challenges and improve their quality of life. Pets truly hold a special place in our lives. Their unwavering companionship, unconditional love, and the numerous health benefits they provide make them an indispensable part of our well-being. Whether it's physical benefits, psychological support, social interaction, or child development, pets contribute immensely to our overall health and happiness. So let's cherish our furry friends and acknowledge the incredible impact they have on our lives. Thank you all for watching this video. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on well-being and health. Until next time, take care.